So due to popular demand, I'm gonna make a full tutorial on my Edward Scissorhand outfit. So we start off with Party City Essentials. We got makeup sponges, silver hairspray, some more makeup, black hairspray, super glue, and of course, these creepy things. Add some plastic silverware and let's start the process. Carve holes out of 2 spoons so we can use them as scissor handles. Cut out some squares from cardboard, preferably white so spray paint will show. Then glue your spoons to them. Next, you want to super glue your plastic knives to each finger. Repeat this 10 times and you will end up with this. Looks legit, all we need to do is spray paint it. So I used silver hairspray, which didn't really look right. So I had to go to the store and actually buy some real spray paint. Then add some details and voila, the finished Edward Scissorhands. What do y'all think? I had a lot of fun with this project and they came out really cool. And of course, to complete the outfit, got this at the thrift store for less than $6 and some suspenders. Then we did a chill Halloween photo shoot. Y'all think we nailed it? Comment below who did it best. Be sure to sub and thanks for watching.